we got two notifications, like two exams, right? So maybe you returned the other one, which
No,
we
no,
did.
no, no.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
having all your marks. Yes, boss. I'm having all your marks. I returned it back, but let me see, check. Because I can view your marks both in assignment section as well as in grade section. I can view in both, but you are not able to receive. I will check with the computer teacher and let me know whether there is other way to repost. Fine, boss.
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
did
and
v equals to
Yes.
minus omega a.
Okay. What is that we were doing, boss?
Ma'am, velocity at mean position.
Velocity. Only velocity. Velocity time graph was over. Did you complete
Yes,
velocity time?
last time we did was velocity at mean position.
Okay, sure. Now today we have to go for acceleration. I think we completed till this yesterday. Yes, yes. Is that so, boss? Did we complete till this yesterday?
We didn't
11
draw
p.
a graph, ma'am. Velocity
Okay,
time.
just complete the graphical part. Boss, complete the graphical part. So velocity time graph. Now this is a sine wave. A sine wave always starts with zero. Can you see that? The sine. If I can have a graph like this is also a sine wave because the sine wave always starts with zeroth value. Plot the graph first. Now we'll have to move on for yes.
Do we have to substitute the values of t in the equation
Yeah,
first?
yeah, zero. Correct.
Okay.
Should I draw the tabular column for you so that it's easy for you to tabulate? Should I draw the tabular column? T x when t is 0 x is 0 when t is t by 4 your x is minus a omega when t is t half your displacement is 0 when t is 3t by 4 your displacement is plus a omega when t is t your time is equal to time period then 0. Have you completed it, boys? Shall we go for acceleration?
Ma'am, so this is a sine graph.
Sine graph. This is a sine graph. Always it starts with 0. So shall I
So the
move on for the
other one
next?
is also sine.
If even if it starts like this is also a sine graph. Cos is different. Cos always starts with a this is a cosine graph. This is a sine graph. A cosine graph can also be like this. Starts with a maximum value. This is cosine graph. What shall we move for acceleration? Okay. Acceleration of a particle executing simple harmonic motion so displacement of the particle at any instant Yusuf, Yusuf,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the displacement of the particle executing simple harmonic motion at any instant? What is the expression, Yusuf? X is equal to? Check.
1 minute.
Check. Yes, X is equal to? Check the previous pages. Joe Paul, what is the expression for the displacement of a particle at any instant, which is executing simple harmonic motion? X is equal to? Joe Paul.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the expression for the displacement of the particle at any instant? Just check your previous pages. Boys, you should. Where are you, 11B? X is equal to, is it taking so much of time for you? For all of you?
A
Yusuf,
cos
Joe,
omega t.
Yes, A cos omega t. Then velocity of the particle at any instant. Boys, you know when is your examination? Somewhere around February last week, 21st onwards. Hardly 1 month. 1 month, how many subjects do you have? 5 subjects, right? So 30 days divided by 5. So for each subject, how many days will you have to learn? You have time to learn for each subject. How many days was? How many days? 6 days. 6 days. Such huge volume for each and every subject you have to learn. Boys, you have to start by today. You cannot think over next month how much you have to learn. And your people. Okay. What is, when you differentiate cos omega t, what is that you will get? Boys, your first revision is, your class itself is your first revision.
Ma'am, the cos will become negative sign. And
Cos omega t, boys, if you differentiate cos omega t, you will get omega into minus sine omega t. So this entire thing gives me minus a omega sine omega t. Boys, mark this as equation 1, mark this as equation 2. A is a constant. A is the maximum amplitude. It remains a constant. That is the reason you have taken it outside. Have you completed? (11B), you people need to work now. You have to put a proper timetable. Your weekends, I think so. I will make every weekend you people to write a test, at least on the theoretical part. Saturday evening, shall I make you to write a test? Only the 5 marks and the 3 mark question of this chapter. Saturday evening, shall I put a schedule so that Friday, Thursday, will you learn and write a test? 11B. Steve, represent the class and answer.
Ma'am, I don't know if everyone will be free. Ma'am, I don't know if everyone will be free on Saturday evenings, ma'am. Most of the classes,
Okay, you are going for. Okay,
yeah.
fine. So you tell me when you people will start writing a test. Because I don't think so. You people are preparing for your final examination. Fine, complete this. Moral education period, shall I give a test for you people? Every week will you write a test?
Ma'am, I don't think we have moral education periods. Most of the moral education periods we do math these days, ma'am, because we need to finish math portion.
So shall I erase this, boys? Shall I erase this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now acceleration of the particle so V A is equal to dV by dt. So it's d by dt of minus a omega sine omega t. This is what you got, correct, boys? Right? So A is equal to omega and A amplitude are constant. So you're differentiating d by dt of sine omega t. Boys, when you differentiate sine omega t, you will have omega cos omega t. Right? So now A becomes equal to minus A omega into omega cos omega t, which means your acceleration is minus A omega squared cos omega. Right, boys? Mark this as equation 4. Is this the equation 4, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is equation 3.
Yes, ma'am. It's equation 3.
Fine. Equation 3. Okay. Now, can you substitute cos omega t from equation 1? Substituting cos omega t, cos omega t from equation 1.
That's x by n.
Okay, what is that? A becomes minus A omega squared. What is cos omega t?
X
Is it
by
x
n.
by A? Correct. So what is A? A is equal to minus omega squared x. This is one important condition for motion to be simple harmonic in nature. So you'll have to both the expression for for your acceleration. So now we have to go for two special cases. When the pendulum is oscillating, what will be its acceleration at the extreme position? What will be its acceleration at the mean position? Dheeraj? Derek? Have you completed it, boys? Mehul, Mahesh,
Ma'am,
have
Mehul
you
is on
completed?
class and Mahesh one.
Oh, sorry, boys, 11 seaters.
Ma'am, no problem, ma'am. It happens all.
Have you completed this? Shall we go for the extreme conditions? Harish,
Yes, ma'am, I did it.
have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we'll go for those extreme cases. Suppose if I have a simple pendulum, now we have two extreme cases. One is the mean position, the other one is the extreme position. You want to find what will be the acceleration at the mean position. At mean position, your displacement x is equal to 0. Your displacement x is equal to 0. At extreme position, your displacement x is equal to a. So now, case 1, at mean position, x is equal to 0. So what happens to your acceleration? What is acceleration? Minus a omega square, is that what? X omega square or omega squared x? So what happens to your acceleration at the mean position?
It becomes 0.
0, it becomes 0. So at extreme position, what happens to the value of x? X becomes equal to capital A. So your acceleration becomes equal to minus omega square A. So at the extreme points, your acceleration is
Ma'am, in extreme points,
Yes.
the acceleration is the least, right?
what is that?
Ma'am, at extreme points, the acceleration is the least.
At the extreme point, you have acceleration. So negative sign indicates it's opposite to the restoring force, nothing else. It indicates the direction. It doesn't indicate it is less than 0. The value is not less than 0. It is the negative sign is only to prove that your acceleration is directed in a direction opposite to that displacement. Nothing else it is. It doesn't mean A is less than 0. The value of A is less than 0. Yes, who are the boys who are absent today? 2 boys are absent. Let me check.
Ma'am, Abhishek and Jahan haven't joined yet.
Abhishek, right? Austin, did you complete? Austin,
Yes, ma'am.
did you complete? Did you complete your work? Derek, boys, if you have completed, please let me know, boys. It's taking up a long time. Jatin,
Yes, ma'am, completed.
okay, fine. Next, we'll go for acceleration time graph. Right, boys. Next one. Acceleration time graph for the simple harmonic motion. Acceleration time graph for simple harmonic motion. So now your acceleration is given by minus a omega squared, a omega squared cos omega t. Now what we need to do is that we need to substitute for omega as 2 pi divided by t. So a becomes equal to minus a omega squared cos of omega is 2 pi by t. T is a time period. This will be your expression. So we'll go for these cases when t is equal to 0. Right? So I'll call out your name. You know how to calculate this. Third one, when t is equal to t by 2. Fourth one, when t is equal to 3t by 4. Fifth one, when t is equal to capital T. So all these values of t was you have to substitute the values of t in these equation. So cos 0 is 1, cos 180 is minus 1, cos 360 is 1 plus 1, cos 90 is 0, cos 270 is 0. (180 degrees is equal to pi radians. Pi means I need to call you, boys. I think so. 11B, I'm just getting information that you people are not reciprocating. Who said 31 now? Who has left
Yes,
the
ma'am.
class?
Those. I think they're net issue, Abhishek. I don't know.
Okay, fine, let me check. Boys, I want the first answer. When t is equal to 0, I want the answer from
Will be 1, ma'am.
must we let others also do?
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
No problem, no problem. A is equal to 1 means what is the value of A? What's the value of A?
Ma'am, minus A omega square.
Capital A omega square, fine. Wasting my time calling you people. Aaron, boys, do answer, boys. It's taking up a long time when I'm calling you back. Aaron. Anyway, I've not posted your marks. I think so. I can take up your marks from here. If you're not responding, I'll take the marks. Even if your answer is wrong, there's no problem. If you feel that you are unable to do, at least just check with me that you want me to do. Either you people are doing, neither you are doing, or you're asking, clarifying your doubts, or you're asking anything from our side. Boys, you should learn. I don't know whether learning is happening over there at home. Aaron. I need to be stern with you. Austin, what is the answer for the first one? Dheeraj.
What can I say?
Who is that?
Harish.
Harish, okay, tell me, Harish.
Ma'am, for when t is equal to 0, it will be cos 0, and cos 0 is
Okay,
plus
fine.
1. So it will be minus A
Okay,
omega
fine.
square.
Harish, fine. Harish, I'll add 1 mark for you. No, I think so. I need to add 1 mark for your PT3. Fadil, what will be the answer for the next one?
Ma'am, is it 0? Because cos 90 is 0.
Okay. Fadil will get plus 1. Hitesh, if you're not answering, minus 1. If you're answering, plus 1. Hitesh, look at the condition of grade 11 students. Hitesh,
Can I answer?
who is that?
Ma'am, Surya.
Okay, Surya, tell me, Surya.
Ma'am, second one, right?
Second one, it's over, boys. I think so. Second one, should I do?
Ma'am, second or third?
Third one.
Ma'am, A omega square. The answer for the third one.
One second. The first one was minus
Yes, ma'am, it's A omega.
Okay.
Yes,
For the
ma'am.
second
The second one
got
is 0.
Okay, what is the third one?
A omega square.
A omega square. Yeah.
Minus A omega square or plus A omega
No,
square?
ma'am, positive.
Plus
Because
positive.
it will be cos pi, which is negative 1.
Okay, it was Kritya, right?
Ma'am, no, it is Surya and Kritya, both of us.
Okay,
You
fine.
can go ahead.
Fine. So last period I'll come for these three, the next two values. T is equal to 3t by 4. T is equal to t. Anyway, these three boys, I will edit your marks. I think Harish, Fadil, Surya will get an additional 1 mark. in PT3. Thank you, boss.
Thank
Boys,
you.
you need to answer. You don't have enough
Thank you,
time,
ma'am.
boys. Your concentration in class is very important. Concentrate. If you don't understand, at least tell us so that we are not able to check whether you understand the concept or not. If it is difficult, don't worry. You just ask us to redo things. We will redo, but we can't simply take that for granted that you people understand things. Please come forward. If you don't understand, ask us to reteach. We will reteach, but don't take without anything without understanding. You can leave, boys. You can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, ma'am.